So welcome back. So let's create the header layout. So here we are going to create a div, and we will add a class name header, and inside the div we will create a div for the navigation. So inside the header div we are going to create a navigation div, like as I explained here. So inside the header div we will be creating a navigation div. So let's create a navigation div, and we will be add a class for the navigation. So we'll say nav, and inside the nav class we have to create left div, center div, and the right div. So we will say div, and this div will be left div, and sorry, copy this and to save them, say this will be the center div. So say center div, and this will be the right div. So let's see what we have done it. So first we need to create a header div, and then we need to create navigation div, then we had to create left div, right, center div, and right div. So what we have done here, so first of all we have created the header div, and then we have created the nav div, and then we have created left, center div, and right div. Let me cut some spaces. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.